today we're going on a cultural tour. Let's enjoy this adventure in the small lagoon. I mean, there's no one else. We are back here in Rio Plan Station, Myeongdong area, Dongdaemun Design Plaza. Secret beach, but this nice little sandbar, Jongmyo Temple. Traveling, it is the ultimate adventure. It is a chance to broaden your horizons, soak up new cultures, and meet some incredible people. But what is the most valuable part of it all? Now, for a lot of us, the real highlight of traveling is the people we meet on the way. I'm talking about the locals who show you around, the fellow backpackers you swap stories with, and the new friends you make that end up changing your life forever. And I mean forever. Ito ang bago namin kasama ngayon. Yan.
Ako ang pinakamabait sa kanilang apat.
Si Bimbi. Si Bimbi yan. si Architect Noah. Yan. Alam din niya mga masarap na kainan dito. Yan. So yan oh. Tingnan nyo naman yan oh. Oh. Sangka pa. Kung ganyan ang kakainin mo araw-araw, di pupulutin tayo na sa sementeryo, di ba? Tignan natin kung gaano kalutong yung balat. Yan. Wow. Hot. Dami. In fact, on my latest trip, I hit up with an old buddy of mine and asked if I could tag along on his business trip to Mindanao and Visayas. Okay, so pupunta tayo sa parking lot. Diyan na yung sundo natin. You know. Welcome to Jensen, baby. You know. Balita. Asa mga chicks? Wala ba?
Wala din. Sabi mo na. Sinarin sa mga...
Oh, send mo sa mga boys. Yan o, selfie. Yeah, boy. Yeah. And let me tell you, connections I made with the locals and the other people along the way, they were unforgettable. First time ko mag-greet. First time ko rin mag-golf. Wala pa ako alam. Hindi pa ako nakapag-driving range eh. Pero ano bang tip dyan?
Focus on your swing.
Focus on your swing.
So, hindi strength sa swing.
Okay. So, swing talaga ang ano. Up! Ito na yung bola natin. But it's not just about the people. It's also about the fresh perspectives and insights we gain from our adventures. It forces us to step out of our comfort zones and see the world in a totally different new angle. And if you're looking for personal growth and self-discovery, travel is the ultimate tool. It's a chance to push yourself to the limits, try new things, learn more about who you really are. Whether it's a grueling 8-hour road trip to the mountains, picking up new language, or trying new food, the opportunities for self-improvement are endless. But let's not forget about the little moments that make it all worthwhile. Breathtaking views, the amazing food, the pure joy of getting lost in a new place. Those are the moments that you'll remember for years to come. So what is the most valuable part of your travel experience? Well, I guess it's different for everyone. Travel is a journey that has the power to change us in ways we never thought possible. From the people we meet to the personal growth we experience, every moment is precious and worth savoring.